canola oil, light oil in the pan. Lay the egg pan out. We're going to just cut them right in half. Fat here. We're going to marinate this in Italian dressing. A little oil and vinegar, red wine vinegar. A little salt and pepper. A quarter cup of red wine vinegar. Canola oil to emulsify. Thicken it up a little bit. Take that, cut them right down to the last knuckle, cut them down on the bias. Add some carrots to that. Quarter cup, third cup. We'll add that to the vinaigrette. Sauce. It's their garlic herb cream sauce. We're going to thin this out. Take a couple minutes. Yeah, clean. So we got the fresh vegetables blanching in salt water. Got our cream sauce working. Now we're making that cream sauce thinned right out. It's like a French sauce, garlic herb. Same hot pan. Spray a little canola oil on it. We're going to do some long.
Yeah, that's life. That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, shot down in May. Soon I'm gonna change that tune. When we get around to next June.